Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then on the bottom right corner I've got more options, so I'm tap it. And if you don't have this button here, press to your Google account icon and go settings. Now I'm tap more and go into settings. Now choose Google Assistant. And in this menu scroll down and find general option, this one. And last step, tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant. And confirm operation, tap and turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.